Kia Sportage QL. Front door adjustment. Front door glass adjustment. 1. Remove the front door trim. 2. Remove the front door window glass mounting hole plug, A. 3. Carefully move the front door window glass, A, until the glass mounting bolts are visible, then loosen them. 4. Check that the glass moves smoothly. Front door striker adjustment. Before adjusting, make sure the door latches securely without slamming it. 1. Loosen the screws, B, just enough for the striker, A, to move. 2. Tap on the striker with a plastic hammer to adjust it. The striker will not move much, but will give some adjustment. 3. Hold the outer handle out, and push the door against the body to be sure the striker allows a flush fit. If the door latches properly, tighten the screws and recheck. Front door position adjustment. Before adjusting, after installing the door, check for a flush fit with the body, then check for equal gaps between the front, rear, and bottom door edges and the body. Check that the door and body edges are parallel. Replace the mounting bolts before adjusting. 1. Check that the door and body edges are parallel. 2. Place the vehicle on a firm, level surface when adjusting the doors. 3. Adjust at the hinges, A. Loosen the door mounting bolts slightly, and move the door in and out until it aligns flush with the body. Loosen the hinge mounting bolts slightly, and move the door backward and forward, or up and down as necessary to equalize the gaps. Place a shop towel on the jack to prevent damage to the door when adjusting the door. 4. Grease the pivot portions of the hinges indicated. 5. Check for water leaks. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.